Today we're going to be making strawberry crunch popcorn. We're going to be making kettle corn in our kettle corn machine here, and then we're also going to be making a batch of strawberry. So let's get poppin'. All right, we're heating up our kettle. Let's add our oil and our kernels. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. All right, we're starting to heat up here. If you want to pick up your copy of the Popcorn Genius recipe book, there's a link down in the description where you can download a free copy today. Also down in the description are links to all the products we're using here today. All right, we got our sugar all ready to go here. We have just over a cup of sugar. We're using 3 cups of kernels here, so you can really go up to, I would recommend is 1.5 cups, but it's all to your taste. Also, down in the description is a link to the Become a Popcorn Genius book. My wife, Kelly, and I, we just published a book. It's on Amazon. It's called Become a Popcorn Genius. There's lots of cool, fun things about popcorn in the book. A little story about how her and I got started making popcorn, and also some really cool flavors and lots of really fun things. So definitely check that out. Looks like we're starting to pop. We're gonna add in our sugar. There we go. All right, here we go. We're starting to pop again. Take a quick look in there, see what we got going. Oh yeah, we're popping up good now. All right, nice and popped up here. Dump that. We're using our bin sifter so we can sift out all those unpopped kernels out of there. Kettle corn in there. Now we're gonna hit it with some salt. Give it a little stir. Oh, that smells great. All right, so we have our kettle corn all popped up. Now we're gonna make our strawberry, so let's get that measured out. We're gonna add in 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. We're gonna let that start to heat up. Now for our strawberry, we're gonna be using floss sugar. This is a gold medal product. This is what they use to make cotton candy. This is the strawberry flavor, and it smells so good. It's called Jolly Berry Strawberry. It smells really good. We're gonna use it just like we would sugar. So we have just over a cup measured out. This floss sugar works really well. It's already flavored sugar, very easy to use in your kettle corn machine. Okay, we're starting to pop, so now we're gonna add in our floss sugar. There we go. You can definitely smell that strawberry. Take a quick look in there. See the strawberry sugar with the kernels. All right, we're just about popped up. We're gonna turn off the heat. Let's give this a dump. Oh yeah. We're gonna hit it with a little salt. Okay, so we have our strawberry and our kettle corn here. We're gonna mix this up. Sift out all those unpopped kernels in our bin sifter. This is a stainless steel bin sifter. We have this on our website. You can actually pick this up if you want. It fits nicely in this food safe bin, and it works great for getting those unpopped kernels out of there. Okay, look at that. Look how good that looks. Yeah, that's awesome. All right, let's give this a little taste. I have some strawberry and I have some kettle corn here. Some strawberry and some kettle corn. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. That's really good. I mean, I love kettle corn with that little bit of strawberry in there. It's really good. What I like about this is that when you make just a batch of strawberry, it can be overpowering at times. Mixing it with the kettle corn just makes it really, mellows the whole thing out, makes it like you got your strawberry, but it balances really nicely with the kettle corn. So really good stuff here. So there you have it, strawberry crunch popcorn, a batch of strawberry popcorn, a batch of kettle corn blended together. Delicious. Remember, you can make popcorns just like this. You just got to get out there and get poppin'.